Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your photos look sharper and higher quality in CapCut? With the super resolution feature, CapCut can upscale your images to higher resolutions like 1080p, 2K or even 4K using AI enhancement. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open CapCut on your device, tap Edit. Next, tap Auto Enhance. Now choose the photo you want to improve. After selecting your photo, tap Next. CapCut will now open the enhancement tools. Here, select Super Resolution. You will now see several resolution options including None, Non-80p, 2K and 4K. Choose the resolution you want to use. Higher resolutions may produce sharper and clearer images, but processing can take a little longer. In this example, select the 2K. Once you are satisfied with the setting, tap the checkmark button. Finally, tap Export to save the enhanced image to your device. And that's how to upscale photos to 4K with super resolution in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.